Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I bring the video of Grok AI. They change their plan as a premium. So we can't create the video for free anymore. So, so what is the best tool nowadays, which will be help us to create the awesome video for free, the realistics video. What is a photo you are uploading, that photo can transform as a realistic scenes. So at my experiment, so these are the video I have created. You can see over here. This is a video you will be able to see. This is completely, you can see here, realistic video. Okay, so this is the AI tool which will be help us to create the best video creation. So there are many tools are available. So you can see there are kind of videos I have created. So these are the videos. So you'll be able to see the simple output. It is here. So the output is good. So I have created the GB types video as well. So you can see over here. You can see here. Okay, the same expression. The person is uh, the person is listening the song at the village home at the midnight. So that is the scenario I have uh, based on that scenario I have created the image. I have uploaded into that AI, which will bring us to this kind of awesome output. Okay, so that is very interesting. So if you try on it this one, so here they are at the same time, the simultaneously that we have this AI will be generated two images. So we will be select one of this. Okay, so this both output outcome is very good. Okay, so this is a very best tool. So here there is a tool which name is this. Okay, this is a tool. Okay, so first you have to how to do the thing is, don't worry about that. If you have to go to here and you have to type on the AI, which is a arena here. Okay, so that you can go and get the output as well. Okay, the same time, if you have any uh, okay, this AI tool is that limited, not you have create, we can't create the video for the full days. Okay, so we need a 2 or 3 accounts, we will be take care of it. So otherwise we have to create the simultaneously another. Okay, the second AI we are called as a CRT AI. There's a image generation features to this available in this tool as well. So you have to go to the CRTA. Okay, if you go to that respective website, it asks your login. You will be able to log in via your Gmail account. After login, there's a features video. If you click on it, you come to this page. Okay, here we have a choice here, image to video. If you click on the video, here there's a image to video. So you'll be able, they are given the here you can see you will be only create one videos at time. Okay, only 5-second videos. Okay, these are the, if you are select this option, it's also that premium plan. You have to go to the premium plan. Here you can see 128 token which will be available. Okay, right now. So that I've already created one image. That's why that token will be reduced. So if it is a fresh user, they given each day 130 token. Okay, you will be able to generate the video or image until the token finished. Okay, you will be able to get done the video as well until the token finish. So let's implement one video image. So that image, so I have already uploaded the Ghibli size Ghibli uh, image, okay, which I created the HA tool. So I already browsed in from my machine computer. This image I created by Gemini. So that I have here, it's already that here you can see once I upload the image, according to the image, the prompt has been generated. That is the very good features available in this tool. Okay, so that here the boy sits across the line listening the music and So that okay, so that default font we here, if I if we can't create this one, so here if I created the task 360 260 token. So I'm what you are going to do is now I just put it listening. let's let's keep this font as well. So let's click on it. We have to reduce it, this one. Okay, let's that model. So that we have a choice. So we have create one video, I think, one time. So we can't create more than that, because here this token is very high, so that we can't create it. So the reset it. So here we have reset. So that 10-second we can't, only 5-second video. One. Okay, standard mode. uh, Here that nowadays they are okay, okay, that for the element we have to use it, this one only, this three. So select as one, two. So select as three, we have to select as three. So that we are select as three, or select as three. You can see that the given here duration, you are select as 3 minute duration. Here now you can able to create the image. Okay, so that we have only that allow to that you can, here we have to change the, this is for short videos, so that according to the video that it has been changed it, so that my one, if you want to change it, this one as a desktop size, let's select this one, only 3 minutes video you will be able to see. Click on generate the image that it asks to select the image as well. Okay, so that image we have to select it over here. This no need our image, so images I already done this image. Okay, this is how we have select the image. Okay, so that we provide this. Okay, this also that we can use it the free. Okay, this characters that name. Okay, that user name. Okay, so that use it. Okay, now you will be able to, here this is the character is here, this one. You can click on it, generated. Okay, so you have to wait until the video generation complete, only 3-second video generations. So these are the, so the this tool we have to provide only one video per day. Okay, per day we will be able to create one video of this tool. This tool also we will be managing the video, so that you have a there are two tools I have so far I explained. So how to create the free videos. So if you want to create more videos, you have to go to that another AI tool, which is Google Vivo. That AI tool also you can create per day one video like that. Okay, so let's see the outcome of it. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the output over here. Here the output is nice. Okay, this video is loading. Okay, very good output. Okay, these are the best AI tools. Okay, we can use it for free instead of Grok. Okay.